Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to withdraw Sweetcoin to GCash. So you want to transfer your Sweetcoin funds into GCash. So right now it is not applicable, or Sweetcoin doesn't support a direct cash out to GCash, but you can still withdraw your earnings with a workaround. First is you want to convert your Sweetcoins tokens into US dollar or another crypto using an exchange like OKX, Qcoin, or Bybit, which Sweat wallets let you transfer to exchanges. So from there, you want to transfer your USDT to a platform that supports Gcash cash in like Binance, P2P, or Coins.ph, where you can sell your crypto for Philippine peso. Finally, choose GCash as your payout method in P2P and then enter your GCash number and confirm the trade to receive the funds directly into your wallet. Always double check the exchange rate and seller ratings to avoid scams.